What has your involvement been in Bridges to Excellence?
Well, I was fortunate enough to be part of Bridges to Excellence when it started, like 12 years ago. I was running the benefit program for state employees, and we were one of the founding members of the Bridges to Excellence program.
And it sounded like it was pretty small back then. What's it been like seeing it grow to what it is now?
It's been pretty exciting to see it grow, and I think we've seen the marketplace mature along with this program. I think it's both been a part of helping the community understand what it is that we want to measure, the kind of outcomes that we're looking for, and at the same time then having other organizations being there hand in hand with us, not only at the provider side, helping us and influencing our decisions about what we want to measure and how we want to reward, but then also having organizations like Community Measurement there to help us. And as they begin to develop their own measurements, really working hand in hand to make sure that we're in sync as a community. And there's a lot of talk here today about the public-private collaborative, which I think is very important. But I also think the collaboration just between the various entities within the state, there's a lot of organizations that have had to come together to make this happen, even just beyond the providers, and that's been exciting to see.
What would you say, from your perspective, is the biggest impact of this program over the years?
I think it really has been to create a relationship between providers and employers, and the employers ultimately as the true purchasers. Oftentimes I think, health plans, while they have their own efforts, and certainly there's value there as well, but oftentimes when it's done through the health plan, the true purchaser, the employer, is sort of hidden and is in the background, is not really involved in those conversations about what do we want to measure, who do we want to reward, what kinds of rewards do we want to have out there. So the Bridges to Excellence has really brought has been the connector to really bring together the actual provider of the service as well as the organization that's providing the money and the incentives. And I think that's one of the things that Bridges to Excellence be one of the most valuable and longest lasting legacies for the organization and the program.